It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York.
Just got off the bus in Burlington, Vermont. Got to our hotel rooms, and we have about 10 minutes before we have to be back on the bus to go to the theater because traffic. And that's just the way it is. See you at the theater. So it is currently 5:43. The curtain goes up at 8 o'clock, and the crew's still building the set because they had a long night. They had to tear the set down. It's only the second time they've had to do that. And then they had to make the 7-hour bus drive and then try to set up immediately. So it's gonna be crazy. We didn't have time to eat before we got to the theater, so we're gonna go get some pizza by the slice.
Yay, pizza by the
walk.
slice. Oh, we're briskly walking.
Brisk
Okay.
walk, brisk walk.
We're briskly walking.
Damn, that is
Look at this fucking street.
pizza, yo.
Although I had Stromboli earlier today, but it's whatever, you know what I mean?
Hashtag pizza pub.
Hashtag 10 minutes to sound check.
Probably like 6 minutes.
Peace out, Burlington.
See you, Burlington. You're lovely.
You're great. I'm sorry we only got to spend 17 hours with you.
We're very sad about it.
Bye.
Bye.
It's just one of those things that I've been wanting to talk about with everyone for some time.
You can tell us.
Just like hurts me my heart to have to say this to you. But I have 4 other fingers.
We just made it to Portland.
Yay!
Woo! Yeah.
Another one of my faves.
Maine, not Oregon. The Oregon's good too. We're not there. Well, if this isn't the swankiest holiday and I've ever been. Are we at a holiday inn? I didn't read.
We are. This is a good one.
So swanky. What's up?
Pure swank.
Just the swankiest. Walking through downtown Portland right now, heading to a place called, I think, Eventide Oyster Company, recommended by Sam Harvey. We're gonna go get some lobster rolls. I don't know what a lobster roll is, but I'm about to find out. Did you guys already get your lobster rolls? Okay. Dang it. All right. Yay!
Here we are.
Hey, vlog.
I can eat. Welcome to Eventide.
I'm so
Portland, Maine.
excited.
Am I recorded? Oh my gosh, I'm not ready.
What? Get the chowder or the
Get the
lobster
roll,
roll?
dude. Also the lobster. stew. It's pretty great.
I'm gonna have to do that.
Great. Welcome.
Oh my god, wait, I need to show this. Oh, they're gone. This is all
nice.
lobster. Oh my god.
Emily, how them Brussels sprouts?
So good. Did I show you all the lobster in it yet? There it is. There it is.
So much lobster.
There's a lot of lobster.
So much
There
lobster.
better be a lot of lobster because it
better be.
$15.
Oh my god, check out this lobster roll. I didn't know what it was before now, but now I'm so excited that I have it. Just leaving Eventide Oyster Company.
Yeah.
It's easily
Pronounced
the
Erster.
Erster. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I did that wrong.
Hurry, we got 11 seconds.
Easily the best lobster roll I've ever had. It's the only lobster roll I've ever had.
You have 2 seconds! Ah! YOLO!
I'm gonna die.
We're running to the theater right now because we have to be there in
Let's go.
14 minutes. Yeah. All right, bye. We made it to the theater. We're not sure where to go in yet, but we're here. Merrill Auditorium here in Portland. Let's get it.
Sinking in your fight.
Too many runaways, thinking of tonight, a holy place.
Just finished the first show in Portland.
Is this where the lens is?
Yeah,
I love
that's where it
Portland.
is.
Is that where the lens is?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
It's
It's
too
too dark.
It was really funny tonight with the lobster roll.
Where's the lens?
We just found the dopest bar in Portland.
thanks.
Still in here? Oh shoot, let me fix my hair.
Well, thank you for fixing my hair so much. This is Felicia.
Hi.
She's our go-to hair lady.
Yes.
The hair girl.
Hair don't care.
All packed up and ready to go. Portland, it's been real, and it's been fun, and it has been real fun. Big fan of Portland.
Can you bring this bus back a little bit?
Bye, Portland. Bye. We're back on the bus.
I bought my husband avocado.
Oh God. Oh, it's on the other side. Oh no.
Gryffindor.
Avocado.
An avocado. Thanks.
We made it to Orono. Oh no. Emily's having a good day.
I'm tired.
Break a leg, Jenny! I love you. You're gonna rock it. We're on the bus, headed to Boston. I don't think I recorded anything in Orono. It was such a quick in and out that I don't think I even took my camera out once. It was a cool little town for the 12 hours we spent there. Anyway, I'm excited to go to Boston and be there for a week, and it's gonna be a good time.
Go!